After TMC leader Suvendu Adhikari quit as an MLA, BJP leader Mukul Roy has reacted, saying his resignation is a clear indication he does not want to stay with the TMC and they will welcome him in BJP.
আমি বলেছিলাম শুভেন্দু যদি দল ছেড়ে দেয় তাহলে আমি আরো খুশি হব এবং আমরা ওকে স্বাগত জানাব। এখন সুতরাং স্বাভাবিকভাবে শুভেন্দু আজকে আমি যা শুনতে পাচ্ছি এখনো পুরোটা জানি না যে উনি প্রাথমিক সদস্য পদে ইস্তফা দিয়েছেন, অর্থাৎ শুভেন্দু পুরোপুরি তৃণমূল থেকে তার সম্পর্ক ছেদ করেছে। এটা নিশ্চিত করে গণ আন্দোলনের ক্ষেত্রে পশ্চিম বাংলায় একটা বড় সিদ্ধান্ত। তাই আমি এই সিদ্ধান্তকে আগেও বলেছিলাম স্বাগত জানাই, আজও বলছি এই সিদ্ধান্তকে স্বাগত জানাই। ডেফিনেটলি বাংলায় যে সিচুয়েশান আছে তাতে এই সিচুয়েশনে কোনো গণ আন্দোলন করা লোক এসে যদি মমতার মিসরুলের এগেনস্টে লড়াই করতে চায় তাহলে বিজেপি বেনিফিটেড হবে।
Well, that's right. The question now is whether he's still with Trinamool Congress or not. The fact is Trinamool Congress has maintained absolute radio silence on Shubhendu Adhikari. They have been saying that Shubhendu Adhikari is a closed chapter for them. They have not suspended Shubhendu Adhikari from the party because the party believes they don't want to make Shubhendu Adhikari a martyr. But Shubhendu Adhikari first resigned from the cabinet ministry post and now he has also resigned from the post of MLA, which is the state legislative assembly. We have also spoken to several top BJP leaders. We have spoken to sources close to Shubhendu Adhikari, and they have maintained that Shubhendu Adhikari wanted to go by principles. Why did he resign from the MLA post? Why did he resign from the post of MLA from the state assembly? Because Shubhendu Adhikari had time and again taken on Trinamool Congress, suggesting that he is not after any post, he is not after any position. If you visit East Midnapur, if you visit Konta, if you visit Holdia, you would find hoardings over there that Shubhendu Adhikari poder pichone janna in Bengali, which means he as a man doesn't go after the post, he as a man doesn't go after position. Why did he come up with such branding? Why did he come up with such posters? Because Trinamool Congress leaders, a section of they had kind of accused him of having used the power, the advantage, the position had brought to him when he was a minister. Not one ministry, but two ministries, Transport Ministry and Irrigation Water Resources Ministry. And he was also the chairman of two boards under the state of West Bengal. So he has given up all his position, he has given up all his posts, he has given up his MLA-ship. Now it's an open canvas for Shubhendu Adhikari. He has not sent any formal resignation letter to Trinamool Congress, and it's very unlikely he would. But the fact that he has resigned from the state assembly, the fact that he has submitted his resignation is clear indication that Shubhendu Adhikari is not in a mood to, in a way, build his bridge once again with Trinamool Congress, which means he has burnt his bridge with Trinamool Congress, which means for his political career, now it would either be a bridge built between he and BJP or it would be an Akla Cholore. What we have been given to understand, the understanding has almost been sealed and has also been signed and it's almost done. Shubhendu Adhikari is joining BJP. The joining can happen tomorrow. The joining can also happen on 19th of this month as Amit Shah comes down to Bengal.
Well, breaking news also coming in. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee now accusing the BJP of trying to coerce Trinamool Congress leaders to join the Saffron Party. Addressing a rally, Banerjee termed detractors in her party as opportunists and blamed the BJP for trying to break the TMC by using money bags. Meanwhile, with just months left for the crucial Bengal polls, the political mudslinging has already hit a peak. In fact, after Mamata accused AIMIM chief of taking money from the BJP to divide minority votes, OAC, in a scathing attack, said that no one can buy him with money and that Mamata Banerjee should be worried about her own home, as many of her own people are going to the BJP. Now mounting offensive, OAC also said that she has insulted the voters of Bihar and the people who voted for AIMIM by her statements. Mamata had in a rally accused the BJP of eating into Hindu voters and also of AIMIM eating into Muslim votes.
মাইনরিটিসদের ভোট ভাগ করবার জন্য আবার হায়দ্রাবাদের একটা পার্টিকে ধরে এনেছে। সেই পার্টিটা আবার এখানে কয়েক টাকা জোগাড় করে বিজেপি টাকা দেয় আর বিজেপির টাকায় ওরা এটা করে যায়। দেখেছেন আপনারা বিহারের ইলেকশনে প্রমাণিত হয়ে গেছে।
अगर वो ये कह रही है दौलत मिली है तो भाई असदुद्दीन ओवैसी को कोई इतना बड़ा आदमी पैदा नहीं हुआ दुनिया में जो दौलत की बिना पे खरीद सके। तो ये इनका ये इल्जाम बेबुनियाद है और ये बौखलाहट का शिकार हो चुकी है। ममता बनर्जी को फिक्र करनी चाहिए अपने घर की। इतने लोग उनके बीजेपी में जा रहे हैं, वो उसकी फिक्र करे।